So this car is going, I think, is under the limit. So when do we can't pass that car in front of us?
I can pass it now because it is a dashed line.
I see. There is different dash lines in there. Like, does it means different or not?
When it's dashed on our side of the road, that's when I can pass. But if it's dashed on the other side of the road, I can't from this side.
Oh, I see. So the people would coming backward, they like with the dash, they can pass.
They could pass on that side, yeah.
I see. What about these two lines?
You can't pass because they're both solid and you can't.
Hey, how long do you stop at a stop sign?
Like we would need to stop for 3 seconds.
At a complete stop.
At a complete stop. Like we'll stop first and then we count from 1 to 3 and then we could go. Yeah.
Hey, it says school's on ahead. What does that mean?
So that means that up here at this sign it says Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m.
To 3:30.
to 3:30 p.m. You have to go 20 miles an hour because this is a school.
When can you go back to normal speed limits?
It'll say there's a sign farther ahead that says end of school zone,
Okay.
and that's when you can go back to the normal speed limit that was posted at 35.
What are these bright green people
Yeah,
signs?
it's like the arrows.
That is for pedestrians, for people crossing the street, so that they can cross without getting hit.
I'm just wondering, like, why people don't drive in the middle of the road because it looks like it's empty.
For the center lane, that is for when if you want to turn left, like if you want to pull into
I
this
see the
house up
arrows,
ahead,
yes.
so that way you don't turn from this lane and stop traffic behind you.
Hey, Wendy.
Yeah,
Why is there two white lines on the right side?
the far white line is for pulling over. So like for this is a bus stop, that means that the bus can pull over and pick up. And then the other one is for bikes. Bikes have their own lane, so they don't have to be on the sidewalk, and they don't need to be on the street.
Oh, that's not a stop sign. Do you have to stop for that sign?
No, you just have to slow down and make sure that there's no cars coming, but you don't need to go